Hello everyone, today I will show you how humans smelt gold and silver from raw ore. First you need your ore. Gold and silver are found all over the world and you can find ore in abandoned mines or purchase it online. Once you have the ore, you need to crush it into a fine powder. This is important because it increases the surface area, which makes the smelting process more efficient. Next you need to mix the ore powder with something called flux. Flux helps remove impurities from the ore when heated. Common fluxes include soda ash, borax, and limestone. The type of flux you use will depend on the ore you are smelting. And now it's time to load the furnace. There are many types of furnaces, but cupola, muffle, and crucible furnaces are commonly used. If you are using a cupola furnace, you will need to add layers of fuel and flux along with the ore. Next, you need to heat the furnace. It is important to do this gradually to prevent the ore from cracking. As you increase the temperature, it will eventually reach the melting point of the metal. As the ore heats up, you need to add carbon to the furnace. This creates something called a reducing atmosphere, which basically means it helps convert the metal oxides in the ore into pure metal. Common sources of carbon include coke, charcoal, and propane. Once the metal melts, it will flow down and pool at the bottom of the furnace. At this point, you can remove any remaining impurities from the molten metal by skimming the surface or using a filter. Finally, you can pour the molten metal into a mold. This is called casting, and it allows you to create ingots or other shapes. That's the basic process of smelting gold and silver. It's important to remember that this is just a simplified overview. There is a lot more to learn about smelting, and it's important to do your research and practice safety precautions before attempting it yourself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.